So here we are now in front of my laser cutter. So you see I implemented this into a new canopy. Now switch the cutter on. So you see the LEDs and you can see water is flowing and the lid is closed. So the both two right LEDs are green and the red one on the left side means that if you push this button here, that the laser is sharp and will fire. So I open the canopy and you see the right LED goes to yellow and it deactivates the relay, which is sitting in between the laser line. So if I go to the menu and you see if I push set bed position, I get the message home first. So let's do the homing. You see my end switch, it's pretty much inside already, so homing is complete immediately, and now I can set the bed position. Let's do it a little bit more so that we can see something. Go to let's say 5 millimeters. Press a button and you see the bed is going down. So let's check the target laser toggle. So if I push a button, target laser is going on, and the light toggle, it would switch my LEDs on and off. And let's do it once more and you can see the relays. So you see that the relay switched, and if I go to target laser, you see that the first relay is going to switch. That's how it's done. Yeah, set steps. Of course, as it says, you set up the steps. So in my case, it's 16 micro steps now, and we need 2656 to go 1 millimeter up or down. Yeah, temperature unit. So you remember on the first page, you see the bed position and the water temperature, which is now in degrees Celsius. So I can change that. And if I switch it to Fahrenheit and go back, you see that the value is going to change into Fahrenheit. And of course those values like set steps, set temperature unit, this is going to be saved in the EEPROM, and as well as a set high temperature switch. So above 26 degrees it would activate the next relay, and below 23 degrees it would deactivate the relay again. And that offset, as I mentioned, when you do the homing and your end switch is not really at the focus point, you can set an offset here. Positive one would mean that the bed is going still upwards, and the negative one would mean that the bed is going down after homing. This is also going to be saved so that you don't need to do it all the time. And LED brightness, so if I change that one, I can change the brightness of the LED. So, but I just have it at 10% because otherwise it's really too bright in my opinion. So that's pretty much what it is.